Okay, so today we're going to go ahead and get started with our vegetable stock mise en place. And I want to go over what we're going to get done and what it should look like. For tools, you're going to need your chef knife, vegetable peeler, scraper, and then there are going to be 3 deli containers, each of them filled with various items. The first deli container is going to be 2 parsnips and a red onion. The next deli container is going to be a turnip and a shallot. And then the third large deli container is going to be the mirepoix, or the carrot, celery, and onion that we cut last week with the appropriate ratio. We're going to have 2 parts onion, 1 part celery, 1 part carrot, and that's already cut up from our knife skills. And then in the last one, we're going to have our ingredients for our sachet, which will be our aromatic. So you're going to have a piece of cheesecloth, you're going to have a butcher's twine, you're going to have some thyme, which is a fresh herb. We're going to have some parsley. We're going to have 2 bay leaves, which are dried, and then we're going to have about a 1/4 teaspoon of peppercorns. Okay, so we're going to go ahead, and the way we're going to make our little satchel here is we're going to take the opposite corners I'm going to kind of bunch them together, twist it, and then we're going to go around with our butcher's twine, tie it in a double knot. Now, per the video, we're going to crush it once we're ready to use it, which we're not quite ready to use it yet. So we'll go ahead and set it off to the side. So it's sealed, and we'll just set it right on top of our mirepoix. Now, the onion and the shallot, we should be familiar with what we're going to do with it. We're going to put all of our scraps into this container here. A turnip is similar to, well, it almost resembles the jicama, but there's an outer covering. So we're going to go ahead and cut the bottom, and we're going to put that with our onion scraps. You should be able to, at this point, peel it. And I try to just go uniform pieces. And then we're going to go ahead and do a small dice on this, 1/4 inch. And we're going to do it the same way that we did the jicama or a potato. We're going to cut it, and we're going to do our planks. Those in our scraps. I'm going to go ahead and cut this guy in half. I'm going to cut my 1/4 inch slices. I'm going to cut them into a bâtonnet, and then we're going to go ahead and do a small dice. Those are going to go with our shallots and our red onion. So again, cut them into the planks, cut them into the bâtonnet. And we'll continue this until all of your turnip is small dice. Now the next one that is a new product for you is the parsnip. And a parsnip is, for lack of a better term, a white carrot. but it does have a little bite to it, so we're going to go ahead and peel it. It's like a horseradishy type thing, like with the turnip. Actually, the turnip is more what horseradish and those type of spicy items are made with, but they're a great combination with the parsnips. So we're going to take all of our scraps, and we're going to save these scraps, so we will use them in another stock, because even though they're the skin and the scraps, they will have good flavor. And just like a carrot, we're just going to do the same thing. Cut them into our planks. Cut them into our batonnet. And then our small dice. And we'll continue doing that until those items are filled. So when you're done, you're going to have a container with mirepoix and your sachet. You'll have another container with your parsnips, your turnips, your shallots, and your red onions. And these will be the components for our stock.